There goes my favorite chicken. He's crossing the road. You know, chickens got all kinds of taste. You can cook them all kind of ways. Chickens can be cooked in many ways, y'all, such as baked, roasted, grilled, fried, boiled, stewed, barbecued, sauteed, smoked, roasted, and braised. Yeah, those are the ways you can cook chickens. My favorite chicken eats across the street. Yeah, I kind of knew he was gonna do that, but it's all good though. Like I said, chickens taste good all kind of ways. Chicken call, y'all. Get your ass up. Wake your ass up. Told you. Chicken call. Funny part about it, yesterday when I started saying it first, I got the whole entire town saying, whole entire chickens all over town saying, get your ass up. Or wake your ass up. I started the whole chicken call yesterday. So much for that, y'all. You know, chickens are the tastiest birds in the world. I'm glad to know that much. And you know the fun thing about it? I feel like I was the leader of the chicken call myself yesterday. Cause I said, get your ass up. And you know the time I said that, they thought I was a real chicken my own self getting started with the chicken call. But really, I was a human doing the chicken call. Well, that's what the chickens get for speaking English like us humans. By saying, get your ass up. Sometimes they sound like saying, wake your ass up. It's all good though, y'all. So much for that.